Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my new other video. Today this video we will learn an essay. The topic of essay is myself. Number 1 is my name is Aisha. Number 2 is I am 8 years old. Number 3 is my school name is Dare Arkam. Number 4 is I study in class 4th. Number 5 is I get up early in the morning. Number 6 is my hobby is gardening. Number 7 is my favorite subject is English. Number 8 is my father is a doctor. Number 9 is my mother is a teacher. Number 10 is I want to become a doctor. Number 11 is I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Number 12 is I am strong and healthy. Number 13 is I am very regular in my life. Number 14 is I live in Lahore. Number 15 is my mother tongue is Urdu. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch my new other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.